Alright, hey there everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today is Monday, I believe. Today I think I want to change up my hair. So this is my natural hair. I've been growing it out for about a year now. This is like my year's worth of growth. I hate it. I hate the length that it's at right now. Like, I feel like it's just at like an annoying length. So today I think I'm going to install my pink hair. I am also currently working on dyeing or coloring, whatever the fuck you want to call it, another one of my full lace units. But I was gonna film me doing it the other day, but I started having a anxiety attack because it's not the blue that I wanted. So I only put it on like part of the unit, and then I freaked out, had an anxiety attack, set my hair down, and I was like, I'm just gonna dye it like this, and then I'm just gonna, I don't know. And then I like literally washed, like, or rinsed like all the dye down the sink because like my anxiety was getting so bad. It was crazy. But now I wish I wouldn't have done that, and I wish I would have just continued and just dyed the whole unit because it actually looks fucking cute. So I went blue, as you can see, and then I did like a little bit over here. My anxiety just got so bad because it wasn't the blue that I was picturing in my head. Like, I was picturing like a lighter, kind of like washed out, maybe pastel, kind of like a blue. And this is like electric blue. So I like freaked out, but it still looks kind of cute. It gives me very like Billie Eilish vibes, and I live for it. So I want to get another tube of that blue dye and just continue to dye that unit again. So today I'm going to install my pink hair. I'm sure you guys have seen it. It was the one that I did a review on. That was my other full lace unit that I bought. I will do a story time about that video soon. Or about that hair soon. This is my pink hair. She just got washed, and I blow dried her a little bit just to kind of like get her dried and prepped to install, which I'm going to do in a minute. I'm just taking a quick break just to kind of like de-stress because I don't know, like every time I go to install hair I feel like my stress levels and anxiety just go up so much higher. But I don't know, it's crazy. But then when I finally get it installed, I like live for it, and it's like amazing, and I love it. So I will see you guys in a minute when I am ready to install the hair. Here we are with our first step. I have my caps on to get all my hair pushed down, and then my cap on top that I'm using as like the bald cap method. So we're just waiting for this to dry, and then we're gonna cut it off and then install the hair. Okay, so we now have the cap cut. So now it is time to apply our couple layers of glue, and today I'm going to be using the Got2b Glued Ultra Glue along with the freezing spray, obviously, just like everybody else here on YouTube. And then we are going to put that bad bitch on. Okay, and now we have her put on. So now we're gonna try to just like leave it alone, not touch it for a few minutes, and let this really dry down and get on there for a real one. And then we're gonna clean up all this excess that got down here where it's like really shiny on my skin. As you can see, that's extra glue that we don't need. We will clean that up later. Okay, hey there everybody. So hang on, let me pause this real quick. Okay, so I am back at the house now. I went and had lunch with the boyfriend. So now I'm back at the house and I'm kind of hungry again, so I think I'm about to make me some more food to eat because I ate light when I went to lunch with my boyfriend as work, so I am not completely satisfied. I also did some makeup. Love it, live it, like whatever. Yeah, so it's been a pretty productive day so far. Since I got back, I've just been chilling with the kitty. And I've also been watching this new show on Netflix called Sick Note. Don't know if you guys have seen it, but I am obsessed. It's so good, so binge worthy. If you haven't checked it out, you should totally check it out. It's got Rupert Grint in it, the guy who played Ron Weasley in Harry Potter, so I obviously stan him, being a huge Harry Potter fan myself. But anyway, so I'm about to go fuck it up with some food, and then I will see you guys in a minute. Okay, also, in case you guys were wondering what eyeshadows I'm wearing on my face, it is the James Charles palette, and I'm wearing the shades Social Blade, Daddy, Guac, and then those are all on the eyelid. It's these 3 green shades, Social Blade, Daddy, Guac, and then in the crease I also have a little bit of You're Kidding and this Skip shade, which has had a lot of backlash, but I haven't had any issues with it or any of the shades in the palette. It's an amazing palette. I love it. I stan it. I highly recommend it. If you guys haven't got it already, definitely go out and get it. I was gonna film a review, but like everybody and their fucking dog has done a review on this palette now, so yeah, maybe I'll do a look, like a makeup video, filming like a look that I do with this palette in the near future, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, let me pause this. Okay guys, so it is about 3 o'clock. My boyfriend gets off of work in about an hour, and then after that we're probably pretty much just gonna like chill on the couch and do nothing all day. So the rest of my day's probably gonna be pretty boring. I will definitely try and upload a lot more often now, and hopefully I'll be able to get another video up here pretty soon. I'm thinking about maybe trying to do a makeup video, maybe like a get ready with me. I don't know, let me know down in the comments down below, and until next time, I will see all of you sexy bitches later. Mwah.